It's okay. I'll cut that out of the video.
We'll go back in 1 minute or hang on a second.
When we're done leaving here, we're going to slide the strings on.
Yes, sir. Can I turn the air conditioning off?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Fingers.
Yep. Hold on, let me get the bird.
We're gonna fall off this rock or?
Yeah, probably.
All right,
1,
ready?
2, 3. There's the rock.
What? There's rock in this cave.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Y'all ready?
1, 2, 3.
Locals, I tell you what, don't just bring anything in this cave.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, is it gonna fall off this time or?
No, slide.
It's got like a
1,
big
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let it go in that hole.
Watch your feet.
Slide down these rails right here.
Yeah. We need to bring the back end around
Okay.
where you are, Todd.
Stand by up front.
We're going to lift or
Yeah.
you guys got it.
Oh, you're good. Just come on, man.
All right, slide.
Watch your feet, watch your feet.
Watch your feet.
Boom.
Goes the dynamite.
Hey, woo.
5-inch metal.
That looks like a little bit too big.
Yeah.
Tell you what, but it'll keep the bears out if they don't.
Yeah, well, I mean, what are they trying to keep out of there? Jeez.
Beer drinking rednecks.
From Trenton.
From Trenton. Hey, I'm kind of from Trenton. Watch your feet.
Last summer we had a kid that had shot at somebody and he holed up inside here. And the cops, they knew he was in here. They're sitting outside the entrance. He's just sitting in here. I guess he didn't know there's 3 other entrances.
Right, go back there and find out.
He could
Yeah.
have escaped.
You have a light.
Obviously not, or he wouldn't have been sitting right there. They could hear him and he could smell his cigarette.
At least he ain't cigarettes, you know?
Yeah.
He
all
sat
right.
there for like 2 days or something.
Holy
They
crap.
finally threw smoke bombs in here.
Flushed him out.
Tear gas, that's what it was. Tear
God
gas.
dang.
His ass came out.
I bet wildlife in here appreciates that.
Yeah, the bats especially.
That's what I said.
It's probably Steve that done that stuff.
Yeah.
Officer Steve.
Alright, we got the strings coming next, and then we're just going to
I'm sweating.
slide these beams on themselves and then come on in.
I'm about to go
Yes, sir.
caving or something. Go check out some holes back there while y'all do that.
Big guy?
That was the big guy. I was worried about that one.
There's not another one of those.
This is it. All we got are these.
Yeah, we done got the big one in here now.
Yeah, it's just got to go back there.
Well, and there it is.
Yeah, they can cut and weld right here.
They cut it up right there. Oh, but they're talking about she was gonna put that across the top as the main beam. I mean,
What?
That was the 300 feet. That wasn't the 300 pounds.
Yeah, that was it.
we're pulling the strings now. We got like these right here and 2 more on the top of the cage.
Is this all the string, hopefully? Yeah. Good.
You mean we did something smart? Just take it off the rope right there and we'll drag it.
Alright.
How much steel we got out there?
People lift it up.
That's working better right there.
Yeah. You caught under the eyeball.
Where we going?
All the way back, I guess.
Alright.
There's where all the other ones right here.
Here's an idea. Let's tighten knots.
I need a knife. Look at this.
Good luck on that wedding.
Yep, they ain't getting that back.
We've laid hands on every one of my dudes already.
Yeah.
Let them drag it in.
Yeah, we unloaded every one of them.
Let my week come out as soon as they did. Yeah.
Yeah, I give. I do believe my deodorant has failed.
Deodorant failure.
We've got a Class A deodorant failure.
It's like ratchet strap right there.
Yeah. Let's put this up here. You want to?
Yeah, we can. Where?
Just so it's not right here and getting walked on.
Set her over that rock.
Or slide it down this or something.
Alright, sounds like plan.
Hemorrhoids! Oh, I just cut my ankle off. Help. Okay.
It looks really good right there.
Yeah, it does, don't it? That's nice.
Where exactly is the signature stuff?
Right back here.
Here, I'll show you. This,
Hey.
basically is-
Is this camera pointing to the ground?
I don't think so. They're pretty freaking cool. I've been in here 1,000 times and haven't never seen them. Right there, see the lizard and
Oh, cool.
whatever that
Yeah.
is. Yeah.
Yeah. We've seen that in the caves how many times, and I always just thought it was some discolored something or other.
It's amazing that it has. Yeah.
Yeah, especially.
It's been a big party cave and all that good stuff.
How can they tell exactly how old it is?
I don't know, I guess they got them a scientist or something, you know. I guess what, carbon dating or I don't know, it might be style or something like that.
Yeah.
It's cool.
That's a little granddaddy.
Yeah.
I'll show them.
Here we are.
Here we are hauling 3 ton of steel
Three
back
tons,
here.
And this ain't even scratching a dent in the project.
No, they gotta come in
The
here
build
and
of
cut
it
it.
is just
and-
sounds
Yeah.
ridiculous.
He said they think they're gonna put the gate right here.
Yeah, I think they're gonna close the whole mouth.
Cause
Because
it's
this stops.
yeah. And there's some other stuff back in there somewhere.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, where the markers are.
Get a picture of this.
Yes, sir.
How you look it up on YouTube, Adventures Craze. We come in the other night and shot video of it.
Did you?
Yeah, you're on video right now, actually.
We came in to see if anybody had carried it in. I'm like,
Yeah. See.
nobody carried that steel in there.
Markers, and then there's one down there, one right here. I don't know why they've got markers through here. Well, it sounds like it loops around right there, don't it? Let's see, there's a marker down there, and then there's one right back there. Yeah. But yeah, this stuff goes. I don't know.
That sounds like it goes back there. There's not.
Yeah, it does. And there's leaves right here.
Yeah, it didn't wash it in, but we're pretty
Yeah, I hear them right there. Hey. I hear them right there. Yeah. I can hear them sliding the steel. It just needs to be dug out. Be like, hey y'all, guess what? Look at this. Old flow stone.
Anybody in the cave, when you come out of the mouth right there,
Hey.